I started in this business in 1989. So, 33 or 4 years. Met for the first 5 years so much as just a kind of a helper. Usually the thing that makes you go jumping for joy more than anything is picking a lock. Actually getting it to open with your picks is always pretty fun. But I like working with the customers. I talk too much. It's just in my nature, so I just like working with the public and the customers. Except for the few that you don't like to work with. But I've always liked working with the public. I've been doing it since I was a kid. We owned our own restaurant when I was a kid, and I worked there for my dad, and it's just always worked for me. This is an old style deadbolt. They don't even make these parts anymore. It's all different now. Oh, there we go. So now that same tailpiece is connected with one of these, and there's a little washer with a split in it that goes on here that kind of connects to the pin in the back.
Yeah.
And that does your rotation of your deadbolt. Where in the day it sat inside here, and this restricted the rotation of your tailpiece. But you run across this older stuff now, you don't have parts to fix it. Like this little 10-cent part could be broken, or the tailpiece. You have to sell them a whole new lock.
Yeah.
Nobody likes buying a whole new lock. But, as time goes on, they just keep updating and improving and changing.